Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in Fiji and we have just basically come out of where Peter's staying, just onto tropical paradise loveliness. Got Rara on the camera today and Peter will be shooting me on the beach. So, yeah.
All right, so I'm shooting back in Fiji, but even though it's Fiji, we're shooting middle of the day. Sun's straight up there. And I don't have any reflectors or bouncers or flashes or anything because I couldn't afford to bring people to hold them. But what I'm going to do, I found some palm trees. We walk out here and the light is just to die for on Beck's face. Not there, it's not. No. It's really ugly on your face there. The light on her face is really, really nice there. So I'm just going to rotate that, like the light's really cool there, not as nice. That's still really nice. So I've got this sort of band from there through to there, and now it's just a matter of me lining up so we don't have trees coming out of her head. I've got a 75mm on, only because I want to start off with this nice light, getting really nice headshots. I've worked out what lenses are my favorite, and I love my 90. It's easier to focus. The 75 isn't quite as easy as to focus, but I love the look of it. So basically all I'm worrying about at the moment is not putting a branch out of her head or not having something stupid happening which is distracting my eye. And then I might move back and forward to how much I want her in the shot. 400 at 50 ISO, I've got a little bit of blowout happening behind Beck. So I'd rather be slightly under on Beck and bring her up in Lightroom just so I have some of the detail in the background. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. This is what I love about natural light, especially middle of the day, because I can get so much bounce. Do you want to come down to here, come close to the palm tree, and maybe use it as a prop, just so you can get a different feel? That's really cool. Just rotate around a fraction. That's it, that's it. That's really pretty. Stunning, stunning. Cool, it's really pretty. I'm dialing a couple just back darker. I'm most likely at f2.8 now because I just want more detail in the background. That's really pretty. I've come down to f4, so if anything, I'm underexposing a lot, but that's going to give me room in Lightroom later. So now I've got all the detail I want, and all I need to do is just pop back a little bit brighter in the shot. Cool, that's really cool. Where's the eyes? The eyes are there. They're stunning, 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 stunning. Come around a bit further. You just need so I don't get sun on your... That's better. That's cool. That's really cool. Nice, nice. That's really pretty. Let's come up over onto this bit of palm tree. If we look on the ground, we'll see Beck's shadow. And as long as I get a little bit of shadow on her hair, that's cool. I get a little bit of highlight into her eyes, into her hair, that's really pretty. Is that wind giving you hell? Cool, so maybe if I come here, it'll be even more hell. No, see, it's weird. You're looking like Princess Leia.
Do you want me to take my hair?
Maybe take it out with the back wind, because you are looking a bit Princess Leia. Oh my God, it's the ring. We might have to go, oh, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. Cool, cool. Cool. That's really cool. I really like this. Nice. Let's see what we get with full sun behind Beck. So I'm just going to get her just here to see if I'm going to overexpose, and I'm not. I am getting, if you look at her face, see it's a little bit Blair Witch. There's definitely an up shadow. So you'll definitely see there's a Blair Witch. See that light? I'm not liking that, but that's because this sand is really, really bright and there's nothing bright out here. But if we maybe get on the black sand, all right, so once I've come out here, we definitely have a little bit, but it's nowhere near as strong because this sand's black. If we come out here even further, now I have no upload at all. So you maybe just need to chin a little bit down So a lot of behind Beck's blowing out at the moment. If I shot behind directly there, I'm blowing out a lot. If I shot behind here, I'm not blowing out everywhere. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool. The light's amazing here. Do you want to come on your knees or something, or? That's cool, that's really cool. So in my overexposure warning, everything behind Beck's going off, but Beck's not going off at all. Cool. Bit stronger in the legs. Can you go? Yeah, just a little bit. No, that's it. That's perfect. Cool. That's cool. That's cool. Cool. Nice, nice. That's really nice. There. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's really cool. Nice, nice, nice. I'm really liking that. Let's just see what we'll get behind one of these. Cool. That's really cool. That's really nice. That's beautiful, beautiful. Cool, beautiful. I love that. Now I know there's going to be guys who are going to say, what about the tree coming out of her head? I like the tree coming out of her head.
Why did you cut my feet off?
Why'd you cut your feet off? Yeah, there'll be those people too. That's cool. That's really cool. So to keep them happy, I'm just coming off to one side. But you'll see, maybe just drift that way a tiny bit. That's it. I'm lining up Beck's shadow under the palm tree. Nice, nice, nice. We've got, these people have just fixed a swing for us. Let's try you on the swing, okay? So we just had our private local people fix the swing for Beck. And I don't like that ledge there, so I'm just going to drop down low. Cool, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. That's really nice. The light we've got here is just beautiful, and everyone hates middle of the day shooting, but I really like it. So I'm just carefully using a bit of bounce to fill her in and get a really, really nice shot. That's really cool. All right, so let's use the bounce light off here and make anti-Beyonce. So the whole Beyonce thing is when you have hair wind like me now, I'm getting the Beyonce look, where it blows the hair off the face. I'd rather have the anti-Beyonce look, where it blows the hair in the face. Thanks for that. We have a new camera girl today. Come a bit more forward. Oh, cool, that's cool. So what I'm doing, I'm now getting in fact, let's come even further forward. That's really cool. I'm getting lens flare on the camera and I'm absolutely loving it. Just going back a frac, you stay where you are. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. There, cool, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's really hard because I'm right now loving what Beck's doing, so I'm trying to take, while she's on the high, I want to take every picture I can. Cool, that's really pretty. There, stunning, stunning. The whole background's blowing out, but you're looking amazing. Can you just drop the hair behind your shoulders for see if it'll stay for a second? That's cool, just that. That's cool. That's better, that's much better. She got this really nice top, but the hair was just sitting right in the front. So cool, that's beautiful, beautiful. That's good, cool. I'm loving that back. Nice, nice. Very quickly, I just want to do that palm tree just from behind. Wrap yourself like inside onto the palm tree.
Like hug it.
No, just come in from the side. No, I can photograph that if you want. Just use the palm tree as a prop to get feel. That's cool. That's really cool. Cool. It's so pretty. That's really pretty. Beautiful. There. Keep that glow. Keep that glow. Cool. Beautiful. Stunning. I love that. I need to show you.
Oh, that's really nice.
That really nice. I might just get a little bit more body because I really like the shape you've pulled. Nice. There. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Really pretty.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. I will also throw up some other beachy shoots around my head now.